Hello, everyone, and welcome to C++ Module 2 VTM. My name is Jason Busby, also known as Buzz, and joining me tonight, we've got Mr. Dan Bissell. How's it going, Dan?
It is going very well, Buzz. How are you?
All right, not bad, not bad. And also, stuck over in the corner as we've pulled him out, knocked off the cobwebs, and stuck a mic on him, we've got Mr. Joel Van Inwick, or as the ladies like to call him, Bingo.
Oh, yeah, that's me.
How's it going, Joel?
It's going good. How about you?
Oh, not bad, not bad. Very excited about this VTM because we're going to be covering some great stuff. Actually,
oh, yeah.
A lot of stuff, a lot of foundation stuff. Throughout it, we're going to be looking at pointers, one of the biggest, most confused areas for beginners, if you will, in the world of C and C++ programming. We're then going to move on into structures and then functions.
Functions are cool.
You got to have functions.
Oh, yeah.
Man.
Without functions, you know what? You might
You
as well
don't
not
function.
have. Yeah.
You just don't function.
That's
Might
right.
as well not even have a program. Yeah. And then from there, we're going to get into classes, and this is where things are going to really start to show you how powerful C++ is. The whole world of object-oriented programming. This is good stuff.
Oh, yeah.
And then finally from there, we're going to wrap it up with inheritance. So we've got a lot to do. Now, in the first VTM we did on C++, I promised everybody that I was going to be the student. And that didn't...
You lied.
It didn't work out too well. Now, today's been a long day. I've been teaching all day. So I'm going to try to be the student. I don't know. Something inside me just makes me run my mouth. But I will try to allow Joel and Dan to work their magic. The two of them have been working their tails off. They've laid this outline out. It looks fantastic. Very anxious to see what they've got going on here without me flapping my gums.
Haha.
So with that, anything you guys would like to say or add here in the intro?
Just relax, take it in stride, and it'll go fine.
Get a lot of
it's
coffee.
good. Yeah, get a lot of coffee.
Everything that we're going to do here, people can follow with other compilers.
That's right.
Nothing specific here. Everything's in good shape.
Everything's in good shape.
The world's not coming to an end tomorrow.
I don't think so. Hope
Unless
not.
somebody views this VTM in 3,000 years from now and it's coming to an end tomorrow.
Yeah.
It can happen.
You never know.
All right, so with that, let's go ahead and close the intro and get started. Thanks a lot, everyone.